It's important for us as footballers to try and invest our money so we don't become burdens to our communities and our families after football. So as for being in football, I feel like I'll be doing injustice if I don't stay in football. After all the knowledge that I've collected working with so many great coaches and learning so much, I think it's only fair that I try and take what I've learned and try and pass it to generations that are coming behind us. So I'll definitely stay in football, and I'll be doing my other businesses that I'm doing, which they are already there, set and running. So it's a continuous process that we on, and football is gonna be one of the things that I'm gonna be doing after my playing days. And so